Are pockets the new accessory for the summer? Will women become a modern adventure at replacing bags with pockets? We saw an appearance of multi-pockets with the return of safari and waist-length jackets. Even the fishing gilet has become chic under the eyes of designers. The trend has been taken even further with shirts, jumpsuits, and trousers all adorned with pockets, big or small, original or multiplied. Fendi made it one of his leitmotifs of his new collection.
I would say that the key word of this collection is functionality, because we've really been treating garments like they were functional accessories, so you find the pockets that normally you have inside the bags, this time are placed on garments.
Pockets also add a functional, casual and sporty aspect to clothes. They are practical and free hands with an effect similar to that of a bum bag, a kind of continuity. They have become the new object of creativity.